Alright, so as we can see, this is my trading view. I'm using my tablet to actually do the trading, because of where I school. Basically there is network there, using my tablet. So as you can see, we are seeing a support and a resistance region. Those of you who are already old in this forex trading, you see that it's touching the support and resistance region. And not just that, we can also see a double head. And with our trading experience, we know that double heads normally, it's a selling opportunity. Once you say a double head, you're going to enter for a selling opportunity, which you can see. So I do share all my trades on my free Telegram community. The link is already on my bio. You can just click and join for free. So I saw a selling opportunity on Gbpusd. That's what I'm currently trading today. So my sell analysis is on Gbpusd, of which I took my sell. So basically on this YouTube channel, I'm going to post all my trades, both my profits, my losses, everything. I'll be posting them here so that we can grow together. So as you can see, I saw this opportunity. This is a selling opportunity that I saw, and I took the sell opportunity. Remember, I told you that I always post all my trades on my Telegram community. Okay, so normally once I see an entry, I do take a screenshot of it, then go straight to my Telegram community, a free Telegram community where I post all my trades. This is to show you that everything, all my trades, all my setups, I do share them in my community. So this is my community, St3Ph community, currently at 21 subscribers. So I went here and I posted my selling analysis on Gbpusd. Because we to go short on this opportunity. You can see, put our stop loss, put our take profit, and this was where we took the opportunity to sell. So those are people who are in this community, were able to take advantage of this analysis. Remember that all my trades, I do post them here, both profit and loss, everything, I do post them on this opportunity. So we went short today because it's a sell analysis. And also I do trade only three currency pairs, which is Gbpusd, SAUSD, and USD CHF. Those are the three currency pairs that I'm most active on because of the volatility and everything. So basically this is our sell analysis for today. Took a sell on Gbpusd, and this is what I'm posting on my community so that everybody can partake in the trade. If I'm in profit, you're in profit. If I'm in loss, you're in loss. So nobody misses any opportunity that I post. So I posted it on my Telegram community. Remember, we are 21, and you can be among us. The link is just my bio. You can be able to see the link from there. So like I told you, the trade, I also took part in taking this trade. You can see we took a trade, although I didn't allow it to hit my TP. Those allowed our profits to reach a certain amount, and we closed, as you can see. So I made about $21 today.